Good morning, class. This is Miss Winnie. I'm going to take you through our numeracy lesson today. Our topic is numbers. We have negative and positive numbers. Positive numbers are numbers greater than 0, e.g. 2, 21, 155, 2000, etc. Negative numbers are numbers that are less than 0, e.g. negative 4, negative 20, negative 40, negative 50, negative a million. Both negative and positive numbers are placed at equal intervals on a straight line called a number line. Now, the word positive here should not confuse you at all. Positive numbers are numbers that you've been dealing with since KG1 or your numeracy life. You've used positive numbers, but negative numbers may not be familiar to all of you, but I believe that at the end of this lesson, all of you will be familiar with negative numbers. So, we've said that both negative numbers are shown or are placed on a straight line that is called a number line, and this is how a simple number line looks like. It has a positive side and it has a negative side. From 0 to the right, those are positive numbers because they are greater than 0. And then from 0 to the left, we have negative numbers because they are less than 0. Now, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are numbers that you're used to. And then on this side, a note here, it's not a must you write positive 1, positive 2. You just write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And on this side, we have negative numbers. You must put the negative sign here. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6. Negative 7, it can go up to negative infinity, and on this other side it can go to positive infinity. You have seen such. Actually, negative numbers, not that are not familiar, because we've learned about temperature, and when you're using a thermometer, you can have a temperature that is less than 0, negative 1 degrees Celsius or below. So it means you've come across negative numbers somewhere. So let's go to straight to our objective of the day. Addition of negative numbers. Addition of negative numbers. When you're adding these negative numbers, you use a number line. And when you're using a number line, always move to the right. Adding negative numbers using a number line, always move to the right. Now, I'll give an example. If you're given such a question, negative 3 plus 4, and you're supposed to use a number line to work out that. You draw a number line using a straight line. Use a ruler. You use a ruler and a pencil. We have 0, positive, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It can go that way. And then on this side, we have negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. So your question determines the length of your number line. You have to make sure that you have this starting number on your number line, because this is our starting point. This first number acts as our starting point. Now, negative 3, we are supposed to plus 4. So we've said you move to the right. This is the right side. We'll move to the right this way. So it will be negative 3 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. What is our answer? Our answer is what? 1. Our answer is 1. I'll give a second example, because some of you have not understood what I've done. I can have negative 4 plus 6. Draw a number line using a ruler and a pencil. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It goes that way. And then on this side, we can have -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, and it goes that way. We've said on your number line, you're supposed to have the starting point. So the starting point on this question is -4, and we plus 6. So -4 is here, +1, +2, +3, +4, +5, +6. And what is our answer? Our answer is what? 2. -4 plus 6 is 2. I'll give the third one because I know not all of you have understood, but it is very easy. As long as you draw the number line correctly, and then you start from the correct number, this one, not this one, please. You start from the first number, you go this way, you add 6. As long as you have the correct number line, you start from the correct point, you plus the correct thing, you're going to get the correct answer. Now, -2 plus 5, the third example. Please, your number line should be straight. Use a ruler. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then this -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. What is our starting point? I hope you said -2. This is our starting point. And we plus 5. So starting point is -2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. And what is our answer? 3. Clap for yourself if you got it right with me. Now, I know some may be asking, can you get a negative number? Okay, a negative answer. Yes, you can. For example, you can have -7 plus 5. -7 plus 5. This is your number line. This is 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. -1, -2. You must have -7 on the number line because that is the starting point. So -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8. That way. So what is our starting point? Our starting point is -7. So -7 plus 5. So -7, we start here, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, and that is it. And our answer is what? -2. You see how easy it is? That's how it is. So I'll give the last example. I'll give an easy one. Very easy. -3 plus 3. What is the answer? Number line, number line, number line. 0, -1, sorry, this is not negative. This is positive. Positive, +1, +2, then 3, 4, 5. On this side we have -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. So this is -3, starting point, -3. So -3 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. And what is our answer? Our answer is 0. So that tells you can have a positive number as an answer. You can have a negative number as an answer. You can have a 0 as an answer. So the key point is use the correct starting point. I've said starting point is the first number. This first number, this is the starting point. Then addition, it means you move to the right. And then you move how many steps? If it is here, you move 4 steps. Here, 6. Here, 5. Here, 5 still. Here, 3. Where you stop, that is the answer. It can either be positive, it can be negative, or it can be 0. That is all from me today. If you're in 4 blue or 4R and you have a question, you can go to Miss Irene's personal wall and ask a question. If you're in 4 yellow or 4G, you can go to Miss Morebi's personal wall, ask her the questions or your queries, and she will clarify anything you've not understood. If you're in 4 white, feel free, go to my personal wall, ask me a question or ask for any clarifications, and I'm going to make it clear to you. Have a blessed day. Bye.